The Kelisiting wall mount drying rack features a smart tri-fold design that extends to over 47 inches, offering ample space for drying clothes while folding down to a mere 14 inches for easy storage. This drying rack can pivot 180 degrees and includes 12 rotatable hooks, making it incredibly versatile for maximizing your drying area. Installation is a breeze with options for both no-drill adhesive and traditional drilling, allowing it to be mounted on various surfaces like smooth ceramic tiles. Constructed from durable space aluminum, this rack supports up to 220 pounds with drilled installation, making it both lightweight and robust. The multi-layered paint protection ensures that the rack is resistant to rust and corrosion, promising longevity and durability over time. Kelisiting ensures high quality through rigorous testing and provides excellent after-sale service, demonstrating their commitment to customer satisfaction.